Hi, we will discuss about the subject as a hydrology. Definition of hydrology is a science study the different form of water available above the earth surface and below the earth surface is known as hydrology. We see the water available in the earth surface and below underground water. The both water we study in hydrology. First, we are read definition of rainfall. From the principle of hydrology cycle, we have seen that the water goes on evaporation continuously from the water surface on the earth. By the effect of sun, the water vapor goes on collected in the atmosphere up to a certain limit. When this limit exceeds and the temperature and the pressure fall to a certain value of water vapor will get condensation and then thereby cloud is formed. Ultimately, the drop are formed and return to the earth in the form of rain. Snow, hills, etc. are known as a precipitation or rainfall. We see that the surface water, when the sun fall on the surface water, the water is heated and goes out the sky, and there condensation in this place, and condensation, the water drops are collected, collect the water drops are collected and they are heavier and they fall into the earth surface. This is called the precipitation. The different type of precipitation are cyclonic rainfall, convective rainfall, and that is a orthographic rainfall. Measurement of rainfall. The instrument which used the measurement amount of rainfall is known as a rain gauge. That's why the rain gauge using to measure the rainfall. Type of rain gauge: non-recorded rain gauge, recorded type rain gauge, weight bracket rain gauge, tripping bucket rain gauge, and floating type rain gauge. Selection the site of rain station. The site should be level ground and the open space. It should never be on the sloping ground. The site should be such that the distance between the gauge station and the object, like tree, building, should be at least twice the height of the object. In the hilly area where the absolutely level ground is not available, the site should be so selected that the station may be well sheltered from the high wind. The site should be easily accessible and observable. The site should be well protected from the cattle and the wire fencing. The selection of site. When we are placing a rain gauge, the rain gauge is a open space where the rain is fall into the rain gauge, and then the site should be twice height of the object. Okay, and when we are placed the hilly area, this area should be protected from high wind speed. Okay, and the shelter easily we are accessible, and the site should be up well protected from fencing to protect the cattle. Average rainfall over an area. The amount of rain collected by a given rain gauge in 24 hours is known as a daily rainfall. The amount of collection in 1 year is known as an annual rainfall. When we are collected 24 hours equals to 1 day, this is called daily rainfall, and when we collected 1 year, this is called annual rainfall. If the annual rainfall at a given station should be recorded over the number of years in 35 to 40 years in India, this rainfall cycle period is taken to be about 35 years. This means the means of the annual rainfall over the period of 35 years is therefore known as the average rainfall or the normal rainfall of a given station. average rainfall, we know average rainfall, and when we collected data 35 of average rainfall, then we are sorry, annual rainfall, 1 year rainfall when we are collected, this is called annual rainfall. And when we are collected the 35 years rainfall, this is called the average rainfall. Arithmetic means method, this it consisted of average all the amount have that land recording at the various station in the area, P1, P2, P3, P4, Pn and n. P equals to precipitation in the basin. We are calculate the total P1, P2, P3 are the total station 1, 2, 3, 4, and n equals to total number of station. We are putting this formula and we collect the arithmetical mean, therefore the total precipitation in this process. Then we discuss the Thesan-Mains method. This method is a objection station are joined by the straight line, thus divided the entire area into a series of a rectangle perpendicular bisect are reacted on each of this line, thus forming a several of polygon each containing one and only the rainfall station. We can see this picture, this is the total area, and we calculate the we just divided both line in a middle point. This middle point are draw a perpendicular are joining, and we create a triangle and different station, the area 1, area 2, area 4, area 3, and here is a precipitation at different P1, P2, P3, P4 and so on. Okay, and when we are calculate this Theson's formula, we are using this formula, P equals to A1 P1 plus A2 P2 plus A3 P3 and Pn An Pn divided by A. P equals to mean rainfall of the basin, A equals to area of the basin, P1, P2, P3 are respectively rainfall at the respective station, A1, A2, A3 are the polygon of the respectively. We see this area, and A1, A2, A3 we are collect from the dimension from this area, and we collect the data, the precipitation of this rain gauge station were collected all the data, and we putting this formula we calculate the total mean rainfall of this basin. Thank you. We are discussing the chapter of hydrology, and if you have any problem you just comment me in comment section. Okay, thank you.